answer some. This is twinkle sheets about science. So twinkle sheets they are very important لأن معظم الأسئلة اللي بتيجي في الامتحان بتبقى معظمها من twinkle. طيب تعالى نقرا مع بعض. كل twinkle sheet هو بيتكلم عن topic مختلف في المنهج بتاعك. So the first one is talking about everyday materials assessment. So it's talking about materials, right? Yes or no? So I can write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can read the material. What is the name of the first one? Rock, water, wood, and glass. So number 1 is which material? Wood. Wood. Number 2. Rock. Number 3. Number 4. Glass. After this, he's still asking about objects and materials. So complete the table by writing the names of the objects and the materials also. So here you will write the name of the object. And this one you are going to write the material that this object is made from. So what is the name of this object? Key. And it's made from which material? Metal. What is the name of this object? Socks. Sock, because it's only one. And it's made from which material? Fabric. What is the name of this object? Box. And it's made from what? Paper. You can say paper or you can say cardboard. So both of them they are right, but cardboard it's better. Okay. So after this, number 3, circle the 3 objects that are made of plastic. So look at the object and tell me which one made of plastic. Which one? The bottle. Yes, what else? And the cup. For the yogurt, yes, that's right. And the block, the plastic block over there, right? Okay. And match the different material to their properties. So we study that we have objects and we have materials. Yes. After this, each object, it has its own properties. It means it can be hard, rough, smooth, shiny, and so on. So I will write 1, 2, 3. So which one is rough? The brick. Yes. Which one is shiny? Glass mark. Which one is stretchy? Rubber band. That's right. So stretchy is the same for bendy and flexible. Number 5. Circle the 2 verbs that describe this metal water bottle. So you have transparent. Do you think this metal bottle is transparent? No. Because it's a metal, it's not plastic, so no. It is stiff. Stiff, it means hard. Yes. So it's waterproof, doesn't allow any water to pass through. Yes. Do you think it's soft? No. No. Soft like a pillow, but this is metal. Okay, number 6. Are these materials opaque or transparent? Write the letters in the correct groups to sort them. Cling film, it's like what? It's like when your mother covered the food, it's like a transparent film. Tin foil, like aluminum foil to keep the food hot. Glass and wood. Which one is opaque? What do you think? A, B, C, or D? Tin foil, wood. So tin foil is letter B and wood it's letter D. What about transparent? Cling film and glass. Yes, so cling film and glass, A and C. You can write the names or you can write the letters only. So number 7, class 1 has been testing materials to identify their properties. These are the results. So number 1, the material is cotton wool. Teacher, there is cotton wool, cotton and wool. It's okay. Is it absorbent? Yes. Is it waterproof? Of course, no. If it's absorbent, it can't be waterproof, right? It has to be only one. The cling film, it's absorbent? No, it's waterproof only. The glass, it's waterproof only. The sponge is absorbent only. So, which two materials are absorbent؟ يبقى ندور على كلمة absorbent ونشوف مين فيهم اللي yes. مين هم اللي فيهم اللي yes؟ Cotton wool and sponge. That's right. And which two materials are waterproof؟ هندور على waterproof وندور على two yes. مين هما two yeses؟ cling film and the glass. That's right. Okay, turn the page. Number 8. Can you name two verbs that describe this glass jug? So the glass, do you think it can be soft? Or it can be hard? So you can see the glass jug is hard. What else? Absorbent or waterproof?
Waterproof.
Opaque or transparent?
And transparent.
So we put comma because we make list and transparent in the end. Number 9. Are these statements true or false? Circle the correct answer. Metal is transparent, yes or no?
False.
Because metal is opaque. Plastic is waterproof.
Yes.
Wood is stretchy.
No.
Rubber is bendy.
Yes.
So this is the end of this exam. So this is the second exam. It's talking about plants. So label the part of a plant. What is the name of this part? The yellow one. He put letter F. فهنكمل الspelling Lower. What about this one? He put letter L for you.
Stem.
Letter L. So this is stem or leaves?
Leaves.
طيب هي واحدة بس ممكن نكتب leaf وممكن نكتب leaves. It's okay. What about this one under the ground? Roots. What about this? Start with letter S.
Stem.
That's right. So now draw a line from the part of the plant to the job it does. We have leaf, root, and stem. يعني عندنا السبيلنج بتاع الإجابة دي already. Carries water to different parts of the plant and holds the plant upright. What can hold your body upright? Of course, the stem, right? Collects sunlight. Which one collects the sunlight to make food?
Leaf.
Keeps the plants in the ground and gets water from the soil. Which one under the ground to take the water? Root. What? Stem or root? Root. It already keeps the plant in the ground and takes the water. طيب بعد كده عندي 3 كلمات غريبين شوية. Evergreens, ever, like evergreen, it's green forever, all the time. Deciduous, it means it can lose the leaves when in autumn or the fall, اللي هو الخريف. So when I said some trees lose their leaves in the what? In which season? In which season they can lose the leaves? In autumn. Or it's called fall. So these trees are called what? Evergreens. They are green forever. Deciduous, yes. Some trees, their leaves all year. They keep the leaves for all the year. So they are called what? Evergreens. Super boy. The second page. So maybe I don't know the name of all the flowers, but it's okay. We can match the ones that we know. We know this one and we know this one, right? دول أكتر اتنين كل الولاد عارفينهم. So what is the name of this? Rose or ivy?
Rose.
And what about this, the yellow one, the third one?
Sunflower.
So now we have ivy and buttercup. The ivy, it's like a green leaf. So which one?
The
The last one. And which one is butter? It means yellow. It looks like a buttercup. So which one? The first one. Now label the part of the tree. طب يا teacher أنا لسه عامل label دلوقتي حالا للبلانت. عايزي نعمل للtree. So it start with letter L. So he is talking about what?
leaf.
Leaves. وهنا اكتب leaves because the tree has a lot of leaves. It starts with letter F. So it's what?
Fruit.
It starts with letter B. And he's
Branch.
noticed in this one branch. برافو عليك. It starts with letter R and it's under the ground.
The root.
Root. طب يا teacher مش ده اسمه stem؟ هو ليه كتب letter T؟ الستم في البلانت الصغير. يس لو احنا عندنا flower مثلا. ولكن في التري الكبيرة it's not stem. It's called trunk. برافو عليك. فنكتب RUNK. So which part of the plant are bees attracted to? The bees. Do you think they love to smell the leaves or smell the flowers?
Smell the flower.
And of course the plant needs some things to grow. So do you think they need sunlight? Yes or no?
Yes.
So I will put a circle because he said circle the things. Do you think they need electricity?
No.
They need biscuits?
No.
They need worms to be warm?
Yes.
They need fruit juice?
No.
احنا اللي عايزين fruit juice. They need food?
Yes.
Yes, like nutrients. هي مش food قوي اسمها nutrients. They need water?
Yes.
They need Wi-Fi?
No.
So this is the end of the second test. So this is exam number 3. Also is talking about everyday materials. But he's asking me to do two things. The first, I will match the objects like this one, by drawing lines between the image and the label. These are the labels. طب يا تيشر بعيدة قوي إن نعمل لها line. نعمل اللاين اوكي بس الأفضل نكتب the name of the materials above each object. طيب next طالب مني ألون. Take the hard object with a blue pencil and the soft one with red. يعني أنا هجيب البلو مثلا الهارد هعمل كده على الباكت because it's hard it's metal. أما السوفت هجيب الريد وأعمل مثلا already هنا على الفابريك على already decoration this decoration and so on. طيب يا تيتشر أنا مش هنلون بقى النهارده. أيوه هل يطلب مني في الامتحان ألون؟ لأ. يبقى هنحل على طول. So we have glass, metal, plastic, fabric, brick, wood, and marble. So this bucket, do you think it's made of what?
Metal.
Metal. So right here, metal. The mirror, it's made of what?
Made of glass.
Okay, these blocks is made of what?
Glass.
The key?
Metal.
Metal. Fabric? This one and this one can be fabrics, right?
Yeah.
Okay, the house?
The brick.
Brick. The bottle or the flask?
Plastic.
This one?
Wood.
Wood. The fireplace? Brick, wood, or marble?
Marble.
Remember the stone? It looks like marble. This cup? Glass. But this hat, it's made of wood, bricks, or it's made of what?
Wood.
Wood. That's right. Okay. On the lines, write different objects made from each of the materials. Give me something made of metal, like what? See. So give me something made from metal. It will be what?
Knife. Knife.
Knife, yes. What else? Coin, right? Spoon, pan, and so on. It's okay. What about wood?
Cottage.
Yes, cottage. Hmm?
chair,
Chair,
table,
table.
table, door,
Yeah. What about plastic?
plastic cup,
Plastic cup. What else?
toy,
Toys. The dice. The shopping bag or
ruler,
bags.
ruler,
Ruler, and so on. Thank you. There is a page. Fill in the blanks. If he give you keywords, it means you have to choose from them. You have absorbent, smooth, and shiny. So the opposite of dull is what?
shine,
Shiny. So we'll make a slash and write shiny. The opposite of lumpy and bumpy is?
smooth,
Yes, lumpy and bumpy, it means they are like rough. So the opposite, it will be smooth. The opposite of waterproof is?
absorb,
Super boy. Now he is giving examples. This is not the keyword or the option to choose. Examples like hard. He gave me examples like wooden pencil and wooden shelf. Can you give me examples for rough things that is already rough?
wall,
Wall, bricks,
uh,
stone, right?
no,
Can you give me waterproof? Hmm?
plastic,
Yes, metal, glass. Can you give me stretchy?
rubber band,
Fabric and rubber band. Yes, that's right. So the last box, take the correct properties for each object. You can take more than one property. So of course, if the object is bendy, you can't choose not bendy. If the object is transparent, you cannot choose opaque. So let's start. The wooden chair, do you think it's bendy?
no,
No, not bendy.
not,
Yes.
yes,
Transparent or opaque?
big,
The glass window bendy or not? Glass window bendy or not bendy?
not bent,
Transparent or opaque?
transparent,
Okay, a paper straw bendy or not bendy?
bent,
Transparent or opaque?
opaque, curved,
A stick of chalk bendy or not bendy?
how,
chalk يعني الطباشير، صباع طباشير. bendy or not bendy?
no,
Not
not bent,
bendy. So transparent or opaque?
bent,
A metal fork bendy or not bendy?
bent,
You can say bendy ولكن لوحدها it's not bendy because it's hard. But after by using force, yes it can be bendy. ولكن لوحدها نقول not bendy. Transparent or opaque?
bent,
Thank you. This is the end of this exam. Okay, this is exam number 4. It's talking about animals including humans. So we have many animals over there. We have shark, goldfish, dog, human, alligator, robin, penguin, frog, snake, and oat. وهو أصلا من فوق كان بيقول لي circle the reptiles in green, fish in blue, amphibians in yellow, mammals in red, birds in orange. لو أنا في الامتحان مش هيطلب منك تلون، ولكن يا تيتشر يعني إيه reptiles؟ Reptiles it means they can live on the land and they are closer to the earth. يعني زي كده مين؟ زي الكروكودايل زي السنيك. طيب which one it will be amphibian that live in water and land زي الفراغ. المامالز they can give birth بيولدوا زي مين بيولد؟ like the penguin, like the dog, like human. طيب بعد كده البيردز in orange. طيب البنجوين تفتكر بيولد ولا بيبيض؟ بيبيض. فهو مش mammal هو bird right؟ طيب يلا بينا. So what number 1 shark. Which one it will be shark? The last one. Okay. Which one it will be goldfish? The fish, right?
the third one,
Which one it will be dog? The left one in the second line. Yes, which one is human?
Human,
The girl.
the
Alligator. Which color?
crocodile.
Yes, the crocodile. So we can call it also alligator. Which one is already robin?
The bird.
Penguin. This one black and white, right?
Yeah.
The frog.
The
First
fish
one. The snake. The snake is a reptile. Yes, because it's
The
already.
first one.
Yes, this one. And note it means like this. And it's amphibian like the frog. It can live on the land and in the water also. So they are super easy. What after that? He he gave you some animals like rabbit, lion, eagle, hedgehog, fox, and horse. Carnivores, it means animals that can eat only meat. So which one can eat only meat?
Lion and fox.
Do you think the eagle can eat the grass?
No.
طيب عايز اقول لك على حاجه، انت عارف ان الفوكس omnivore ممكن ياكل برضو some plants. Do you know that?
No.
Yes, the fox omnivore. So we are going to leave this. So eagle can eat the meat. شفتش اي حتى في story ان الفوكس can eat the berries? Yes, the fox can eat the berries. So the fox is omnivore. So herbivores like what? Rabbit. What else?
Rabbit.
And
Horse.
horse. The omnivores that can eat both of them. The hedgehog can eat the ants and also can eat some seeds. So it's omnivore, right?
Yeah.
The same for the fox. They can eat both of them, animals and the plants. Like human, we are omnivore. Turn the page. Now this is the body part. He is giving us the first letter. So E for what? What can you see here? And there are 3 letters only. This is ear, right?
Yes.
Okay, what about H here? This is what? Head. He's writing shoulder, knee. What about E for what here?
Elbow.
Elbow. He's writing for you fingers, leg, nose. H for what?
H for hand.
Teeth, thumb, toes. Okay. Where is the thumb? The big finger, right? So we can match it here. Where is her toes? Over here, right? Where is the teeth? Inside the mouth. Where is the shoulder? Over here. Where is the knee? In the middle of her leg. Type. This one is what? F for what? Foot. And we can match this for being her leg. يبقى احنا already حتى لو هو مديك words هو عايزك تعمل لها matching. So we can match the nose over here. We can match the eye over there. So you can complete the words and then you can match it. And of course the fingers in the hand. You can match it in her hand, right?
Yeah.
Now the rabbit. We have ear, nose, eye, fur, hind leg, and teeth. Hind, it means in the back. So this one is what? Ear. This one? Fur, right? This one? Eye. This one?
The nose.
Nose. This one? Teeth or no? You have teeth only or hind leg? So you have to choose teeth, right? And this one?
Hind leg.
It means the leg in the back. Okay, the next we have the frog. We will match only. So what's the meaning of nostril? It's like the mouth or like the nose for us?
The
The nose. Yes, so we are going to match it to the nose. But it's called nostril, يعني فتحة المناخير. What about the eye? Over here, right? أما الفور leg يعني اللي قدام ولا اللي ورا؟
for leg
Yes.
اللي قدام.
Yes, and the hind leg اللي ورا. أما الويبد foot يعني رجليها المشبكة في بعض دي. هنعمل عليها سيركل كده عشان نقول هي دي. So this is the webbed foot. For the chicken or the hen, we have beak, feathers, leg, and wing. So this part is called what? Beak, right. Okay. Now, in the back of her, we can find this is leg or feathers? Feathers. And when we choose one, you can make a slash. What about this one? Wing or leg?
leg.
And this one?
This one.
Wing.
The one.
Yes, that's right. Turn the page. Now we have the fish. The goldfish has. Do you think the goldfish has legs?
No.
Arms? No. Fins? Yes. Eyes? Mouth? Gills? Elbow?
No.
Toes? No. Scales?
Yes.
Now the turtle. True or false? Teeth. The turtle has teeth. True or false?
Yes.
Do you know that the turtle doesn't have teeth? The turtle doesn't have teeth. Do you have a turtle before?
No.
Okay, if you open the mouth for the turtle, you don't find teeth. So it doesn't have teeth. But it has something sharp, but they are not teeth. What about a hard shell?
True.
Scales?
True.
Nostrils? True. What about the fur?
No.
No. So yes, it has nostrils, scales, and hard shell. The last thing, he asked you to write and draw. Draw the body part needed for each sense. For hearing, we are going to draw what?
The
Ears. طب أنا رسمت يا teacher ومش عاجبني الرسم بتاعي، لازم تكتب اسمها. So draw the ears and write ears. What about the taste?
mouth.
Mouth and tongue. So you are going to draw it and then write mouth and tongue. What about for sight?
Eye.
So you are going to draw and write eyes. What about for touch?
Hand.
You can write hand or you can write skin because you can feel everything by your skin. What about smell?
Nose.
You can draw it and write nose. Okay, so this is the last exam. He's talking about the five senses: hearing, taste, sight, touch, and smell. You can draw and you can write the name of each sense, right?